All right, boys and girls, this week we have been learning about the f sound. And we learned it can be written 3 ways. So let's review some of the words that we learned this week. Here we go. Elf. Santa Claus has many elves. The elf helps him. Fat. 5. Flag. Fruit. Fin. This is the fin of the fish. Fan. Fist. This is your fist. This is my fist. Flower. Now, this is a flower you plant in your garden. And this is also flour. We use this flour to make bread, to make cookies, to make cake. We use flour. They both sound the same, but they're not the same. This is the flour from the garden. This is the flour we use in the kitchen. Football. I like to play football. This boy is playing American football. Fog. It's very foggy and I can't see. Fire. Feather. Friday. Fast. Flute. I like to play the flute. Friends. I have many friends at school. Fish. Frog. The frog likes to jump. Fly. This is a fly. Feet. I have 1 foot, 2 feet. Fruit. And fox. So this is the f with the letter F. We also have f with the PH, like in dolphin, elephant, alphabet, the alphabet, A, B, C, D, trophy. When you win a championship, you win a trophy. Graph. A graph is a picture for numbers. A graph. In mathematics, you have graphs. Phase. These are the phases of the moon. We also have phonics. With Esmeralda, you do lots and lots of phonics. Telephone, microphone, photo or photograph, xylophone, and saxophone. The man in this picture is playing the saxophone. Do you see right here? He's playing the saxophone. We can also write the f with the GH. Now, sometimes this is silent, but sometimes it makes the f sound. Like in laugh. Ha, 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 ha. I'm laughing. Cough. I'm coughing, although the girl is coughing in her hand and she should be coughing in her elbow. Cough. Enough. When you talk a lot, Esmeralda says, enough. Stop. No more. Enough. And rough. This stone is very rough. It's not very smooth. It's very rough. Doesn't feel very nice. Rough. So, these are the 3 ways we have learned to write the f sound, right?